We have to let her sides out. And she has no side to let out, so we're gonna get creative. This dress from Halfpenny is an absolute work of art in the way it's constructed. It is so beautiful inside and out, and it's absolutely flawless. Unfortunately, if it's purchased a little bit too small, there aren't side seams to let out very easily, but there are ways around that, and we'll show you what we did. The bridal shop this gown was purchased from actually reached out to the designer and asked, like, how are we supposed to let out your sides before they brought it into us? And the designer suggested that you add a little sliver of gross grain ribbon to the interior corset structure of the gown, and so that's exactly what we did. There was this little piece where we were able to unpick and insert just a little bit of extra room there because the interior of the dress is what was not stretching to her. There's a little panel in there of power mesh, which does allow the dress to breathe with you a little bit and move with you a little bit if there's a slight difference in size. However, she needed a little bit more room, and the exterior of the gown doesn't have any side seams in it because from the front bodice to the back bodice, the entire circumference of the bodice is one piece of draped fabric. Now, the lucky part of that is because it's a draped piece of fabric, it is draped on the bias, and that gives you a lot more breathing room and stretch and wiggle room. And so because we were able to insert a little section into the interior of the dress, we did not have to change the exterior of the dress because it would stretch to the same width as what we increased the width of the interior to be. One thing to know about this dress is that it does stretch with you as you wear it. So by the time we had finished her alterations, we had actually taken her dress back in almost to the original. So we went in and added this gross grain ribbon, essentially godet, in the corset piece. But by the time she left us, we had only really given her about an inch of extra room at the very top of the bodice to give her bust more room, but hadn't given her any more room in the waist of it. So just know that these dresses do stretch with you a little bit as you wear it. Sometimes you have to wear them in, and sometimes you do need a little bit of extra room. In this case, she needed a little bit of both.